Yo, what's up everybody? This is Jeremy and you're checking out Arcesadventures. And right now we're back in the Philippines. And you know what I'm watching? Game 4. Game 4.
Tapos ang ating game number 4 ng ating NBA Finals. Toronto goes up 3-1.
Yo, that's it. Game 4 is over. Raptors are up 3-1 against Golden State. Like I care. Guess who I'm with? That's right, I'm with Yellow. And also, guess who else we got in the house? We got my cousin, Mary Chris. And Vincent.
You remember Vincent?
Yeah, I do.
No,
I remember him from Archie's wedding. Link in the description below. Damn, we're over here in the Eastwood City Walk. See the stars right here? We're gonna go here, Peri Peri. Let's go.
Right now we are at the Peri Peri restaurant. We got this full Peri Peri chicken, a cool slab of barbecue back ribs, java rice, and fruit medley. We also ordered the dynamite, Peri Peri dynamite, and the salted egg potato chips.
She's gonna pay, and we're gonna eat. See right here, guys, I ordered a beer burrito with the San Mig. And what you do is you drink it, and as you drink it, it refills itself with the beer. Genius, guys, genius. What does it taste like?
I can taste the oh my god.
Yo, Alvin, Margie, and Richard, where you at, huh? Where you at? You ain't over here? Only Merry Chris is here. Get y'all. I'm with the real cool cousin. How's your lunch? Dude, that means you had a good lunch. I must have had a great lunch. We're gonna go find clothes for our photo shoot in Boracay.
Hi, welcome to the
Still shopping for clothes. Oh, why so sad? Oh, why so sad? You didn't find any mushrooms? You don't have no princess? Well, guess what? Life's tough, Mario. We're still trying to find clothes for the photo shoot. Right now, we're gonna go bowling because Mama's so slow at finding her clothes. Cancel the bowling, I'm gonna whoop her at Billiards. I'm gonna beat her at pool.
Let's see. Let's see.
No. You not play pool. Obviously, you not play pool.
I don't know.
And that, my friends, is the weakest break I ever seen in my life. Wow. She's good. She's good. How do you feel being the champ?
No, used to it.
Oh shoot! Brand new slippers. She tricked me. She brought me here. We were gonna go to Mama. She stopped me. She's like, "Hey, can we go here?" I said, "All right," because I love my daughter. I love her. I love her.
I'm happy.
See that? I bring joy to people's lives.
Dun, dun.
Yo, what's up, guys? I'm over here at Sports Barbers. I'm about to get a haircut. Yo, I'm about to get my hair shaved. Look at that, all done.
How did you
We're off to get some groceries. We gotta get diapers, and we also gotta get formula. Hey guys, have you ever went with your wife and your family, and then you only needed 2 things at the store, but you end up with a whole bunch of stuff you guys don't need? Yeah, happens to me every time. That's why you go by yourself, get what you need. Oh, there's beer. Yo, what's up guys? Let's do a food haul. We got some Red Horse, some Bar Pink Gin, Tanduay Rum, coffee, hot chicken ramen, vanilla cokes, peanut butter, facial tissue, Dove conditioner, Mr. Muscle, deodorizer, fragrance, lotion, razor, shampoo, sunscreen, toothpaste, air freshener, Tide, nail polish, potato chips, V-cut, bread, chippies, grapefruit, some jasmine rice. We only came to the store to get these 2 items, but how we end up with the rest of this, I don't know. Wait, yeah, I do know. I brought my wife with me. Don't bring your wife with you to the store. She'll buy all kinds of shit you don't need.
If you don't bring your wife, who's going to pay for the groceries?